3D printing has revolutionized the manufacturing and design industry, and SolidWorks is a powerful tool that complements this technology. SolidWorks is a computer-aided design (CAD) software that enables engineers and designers to create detailed 3D models. When combined with 3D printing, it allows for the seamless transition from digital design to physical prototype. One of the primary advantages of using SolidWorks for 3D printing is its robust set of features for designing complex geometries. SolidWorks offers a wide range of tools for creating intricate shapes and assemblies, which can be directly exported to 3D printers. The software supports various file formats compatible with 3D printers, such as STL, which is the standard for 3D printing. SolidWorks also includes features specifically tailored for 3D printing. The software can analyze the model to ensure it is ready for printing, checking for issues like wall thickness, part orientation, and potential print errors. This preprint analysis helps to minimize the risk of print failures and optimizes the model for the printing process. Moreover, SolidWorks integrates simulation tools that allow designers to test the functionality and durability of their models before printing. This capability is crucial for iterating designs efficiently, saving both time and material costs. By simulating real-world conditions, designers can make informed decisions about their models and ensure they meet the necessary specifications and performance criteria. Collaboration is another significant benefit of using SolidWorks in the 3D printing workflow. SolidWorks cloud-based solutions enable teams to work together on the same model from different locations, streamlining the design process and enhancing productivity. Changes made by one team member can be instantly shared and reviewed by others, facilitating a more cohesive and integrated design process. In conclusion, SolidWorks is an invaluable tool for 3D printing, offering a comprehensive suite of features that enhance the design, analysis, and collaboration processes. Its compatibility with 3D printers and focus on preprint optimization make it an ideal choice for engineers and designers looking to leverage the full potential of 3D printing technology.